Welcome to Compare to Win. The best swim goggles anti-fog spray is probably one of the most essential accessories for any swimmer, whether you're a competitive athlete training for your next race, a recreational swimmer enjoying a day at the pool, or an open water enthusiast exploring the depths, as a clear field of vision is paramount for performance, safety, and overall enjoyment, preventing those frustrating moments of obscured sight that can ruin an otherwise perfect swim session. Number 5. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Achieve spotless lenses with our powerful yet gentle formula. This alcohol-free solution is safe for all your delicate surfaces. It effectively removes smudges and dirt without any harsh chemicals. Our kit includes 2 bottles of cleaner and 2 microfiber cloths. Everything you need for pristine eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. Experience the difference of a high-quality cleaning experience. Proudly made in the USA for your peace of mind. Keep your eyewear and electronics looking their best. This 4-piece set is the ultimate solution for maintaining clarity. What we like? This cleaning kit offers a gentle, alcohol-free solution for all your lenses. It's perfect for those who need a reliable way to clean not just glasses, but also screens and camera lenses. If you're looking for an all-in-one cleaning solution for multiple electronic devices and eyewear, this is a great choice. What people say. The anti-fog spray works great and keeps my goggles clear during my swim. I love how easy it is to apply the spray, and it lasts for a long time. The spray prevents my goggles from fogging up, allowing me to see clearly underwater. Number 4. Gamer Advantage FogAway Anti-Fog Spray. Tired of your vision being obscured by fog? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to keep your lenses crystal clear, no matter the conditions. Whether you're swimming, wearing glasses, or using your electronic devices, this spray ensures an unobstructed view. It's safe and effective for all types of lenses. Never let fog ruin your game or your swim again. Enjoy uninterrupted performance and focus on what matters most. Our unique formula is gentle on all lens materials, providing long-lasting anti-fog protection without any damage. You can trust it for your most valuable eyewear and electronics. This 2-ounce bottle is perfectly sized for easy storage and application. Keep it with your gear for fog-free clarity whenever you need it. Experience the difference that truly clear vision can make. It's the essential accessory for athletes, gamers, and anyone who relies on clear lenses. What we like? This spray is specifically designed to combat fog on swim goggles and other eyewear. Its formula is safe for all lens types, ensuring no damage. If you're a swimmer who struggles with foggy goggles and needs a quick, effective solution, this product is ideal for you. What people say. Super simple spray, wait a few seconds, dry off gently and that's it. It is much easier to use than they claim, lasts much longer. Swam 40 laps and still good. Did some surface dives and water leaked in, but no eye irritation. Excellent product. Number 3. ZIONOR G1 Polarized Swim Goggles. Discover a new level of clarity with our polarized swim goggles. They offer superior eye protection against harmful UV rays and glare, restoring true colors for all your water adventures. Designed for ultimate comfort, these goggles feature a soft silicone gasket, an adjustable strap, and an ergonomic nose bridge. They provide a secure, non-slip fit for both men and women. Enjoy uninterrupted swimming with enhanced anti-fog technology ensuring clear vision. The 3D double seal frame guarantees a leak-proof experience, perfect for any training environment. See the underwater world like never before. The curved, HD lenses provide exceptional clarity and unobstructed peripheral vision, allowing you to swim safely and enjoy every moment. Crafted from premium silicone and polycarbonate, these goggles are incredibly durable. The flexible silicone frame and crack-resistant lenses ensure they stand up to rigorous use. What we like? These goggles feature special polarized lenses that offer superior eye protection and true color restoration. They are designed for a comfortable, leak-proof fit for extended wear. If you are an outdoor swimmer who needs enhanced vision and protection from glare and UV rays, these goggles are a fantastic option. What people say. These goggles are super comfortable, snug fit, leak-free, clear vision. They fit well. They don't slip and the fogging is minimal. They are very comfortable for me and seem to be well made. During the swim, I didn't have any problems with fogging and never had to readjust the goggles to see the buoys. The ability to stay in a straight line for the entire race is critical in open water swimming. There's no extra credit for swimming extra yards. For those interested in open water swimming, I highly recommend the ZIONOR goggles. Being able to clearly see where I'm going not only makes it easier to shave off time and gain places but, more importantly, makes the sport much safer and more enjoyable. Number 2. ZEISS Fog Defender System Anti-Fog Spray. Introducing the ZEISS Fog Defender System, your ultimate solution for clear vision. This innovative spray is designed to keep your lenses fog-free, even when wearing a mask. Experience trusted performance that lasts. Enjoy up to 72 hours of fog-free vision with just one application. Using it is incredibly simple. Just spray both sides of your lenses and wipe with the included microfiber cloth until dry for immediate clarity. It's ideal for a wide range of lenses. Protect your everyday glasses, sunglasses, and even specialized gear like ski goggles and camera lenses. Never let fog obstruct your view again. Enjoy consistently clear vision, no matter the conditions or your activity. What we like. This system provides an incredibly long-lasting anti-fog effect, keeping lenses clear for up to 72 hours with just one application. It's incredibly simple to use, requiring only a spray and wipe. If you need a dependable, long-duration anti-fog solution for your glasses, especially when wearing masks or in humid conditions, this is the product to consider. What people say. The longevity of the anti-fog effect is particularly impressive, as it reliably lasts until the end of the day without the need for reapplication. The ZEISS Fog Defender, in contrast, stands out for its effectiveness and eye-friendly formula. This is the real deal. I have put it through its paces and found this is an effective product for goggles, glasses, and face masks. Number 1. ZIONOR G1 SE Adult Swimming Goggles. Experience unparalleled clarity underwater. Our lenses offer UV 400 protection, restoring true colors and eliminating glare for all your water sports. Designed for a snug fit on any face. With a soft silicone gasket, adjustable strap, and ergonomic nose bridge, they provide excellent suction and stay in place. Enjoy clear vision without fogging. The enhanced anti-fog technology and 3D double seal frame ensure a leak-proof experience, perfect for training. See more with our curved, HD lenses. They provide superior light transmission and unobstructed peripheral vision, keeping you safe and immersed. Crafted from premium silicone and polycarbonate. These goggles are durable, soft, flexible, and resistant to cracking for long-lasting performance. What we like. These goggles offer excellent UV 400 protection and a wide panoramic view underwater, ensuring your eyes are safe and your vision is clear. They also boast a snug, leak-proof fit designed for comfort during long swims. If you're an adult swimmer looking for reliable eye protection, clear underwater vision, and a secure, comfortable fit for both indoor and outdoor training, these are a solid choice. What people say. The anti-fog spray works great and lasts for a long time. Easy to apply and provides a clear vision underwater. A little goes a long way, so one bottle lasts for many uses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.